Cava earnings just came out, and if you, like me, are a huge Cava fan, whoa, very good news. My name is Kenneth, and I talk to my almost 500,000 social media followers about investing and the stock market, and I happen to be a Cava shareholder. I bought it on IPO day at I think around $43, and just take a look at this. Cava stock closed at around, let's just say $102, and you can see right here, they are now 110 after hours, up 8%. Cava earnings beat estimates as restaurant traffic climbs nearly 10%. Cava was expected to pull in 13 cents per share, but they actually came in at 17 cents per share. And revenue was expected to be $220 million, and it came in at $233 million. And it says down here at the bottom, while many other restaurant companies have reported declines in visits as consumers pull back on their spending, Cava said traffic grew 9.5%. Wow! Cava CEO and co-founder Brett Schulman says that it was because of their new grilled steak option, which, to be honest, I haven't gotten yet. If you know me, you know that I get the honey harissa chicken and the lamb meatballs, and they're both so fucking good. Cava opened 18 new locations. That means that they have 341 total. Cava is also now projecting that they're going to open 54 to 57 new locations this year, up from 50 to 54. This is a fantastic earnings report, and if I wasn't on vacation in the Berkshires, I'd be going to Cava tonight. If you want to learn how to invest, you are in absolutely the right place. Smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.